Here's how to unlock your Samsung Galaxy S24 series. There's a couple reasons why you should unlock your phone. The first reason is that you might want to swap to a different carrier because of a better deal or something like that. And another reason is maybe you're traveling and you want to use a local phone carrier while you're there. The first thing you need to do is to find your IMEI number. And you can do this by going to the dial pad and dial *#06#. Another way to find your IMEI number is by going to the settings, then scroll down and tap on About Phone. Once you have your IMEI number, you can request for the network unlock code from your service providers, and you can check further information online. But if the original carriers of the S24 is unable to provide you an unlock code for some reason, you can always contact a third-party company like Cellunlocker.net. Now that you have your unlock code, next you'll need a SIM card from another carrier. Then you'll have to insert the SIM card from another carrier into the S24. Once inserted, the S24 should prompt and ask for a network unlock code. Once the phone prompts for the network unlock code, you can enter the code that was provided to you. After entering the unlock code on your S24, it should say that the phone is now unlocked. Now you're free to use your S24 series phone with any other carriers. If any of this was helpful to you, please leave a like, comment, or subscribe.